Hello, everybody. So it's another week. It's actually like middle of the week now, but it's just been I've been chaotically busy. So I'm working for someone else this week. Company I used to work for. Oh, I had a phone call. Obviously, yeah. So working for a company that I used to subcontract to quite a bit. So they're a refrigeration firm. Um, he at the time, so this is going back a few years now. He used to have quite a few electricians on the books, but recently, sort of COVID had a massive knock-on effect on his business, positive and negative. But a lot of guys left. Obviously, the industry went a little bit wild in the commercial sector, and people were offering a lot more money certainly down here in Devon anyway. Um, so he lost a lot of his good electricians. So he had quite a few fridge engineers, but even then, you go through them quite a lot. It's something about the commercial work. People aren't overly loyal. People tend to move on quite regularly. But yeah, so I'm back working with him, doing a co-op rip out at the moment. So it's a complete refurb of the shop in Torquay. So yeah, been down there for 3 days, like ripping out all the old AC supplies and everything that goes with that, the comms and that. So I'm starting to put in new containment tomorrow, and I will be. What will I be doing? Yeah, start wiring sometime next week then as well. So it's a 5-week shutdown for the store. I mean, our work, well, certainly my side of it won't be too bad. Once I've most of it, there's a load of existing containment already there, a load of steel basket trays. Sorry, my head's all over the place today. Oh, yeah, a load of steel tray running all the way through the building, which we can reuse, and then we've just got to put a few new bits in just for where the new units are, because the whole store has changed orientation. So all the fridge aisles are completely changing locations and direction, and then there's fridges around the perimeter and stuff like that. So lots to do. It's all wired in FP, so it was all wired in steel wire armoured. It's mental. All these big supermarkets, they spend, the store was probably 15 years old in terms of its fit out, and all the wiring, technically there's nothing wrong with it, but they literally completely rip out and start again. It is madness, absolute madness. So yeah, scrap. Try to do a little video on that as well. I've got an idea for a video we're going to do. Yeah, so I'm just at the unit at the minute, just sorting a few bits out, because we've got the building where my unit is in has got a fire inspection next week. Yeah, next week. So I need to tidy up, but it is an absolute mess in here at the minute because I've been so busy. And yeah, so I need to have a bit of a tidy up. Received this one today. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, it's the Vito Tech MCT bag, which was a giveaway by Trade Legends, and I was lucky enough to win that. I know, Jamie, what can you say? Yeah, so thank you, Trade Legends, for that one. I've got that, really nice. And they actually sent me, obviously Trade Legends associated with Unilight, so they sent me out one of their new Unilights, the really small ones. So it'd be interesting to give that a go as well. Yes, so I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up and then head home because I've got to do some more paperwork. So I'm working on a video about tendering for large jobs. So I've already spoken about this. So yeah, we're going to put out a video on tendering for a large job, and hopefully that piques some interest. But yeah, a little bit of tidying up. Friday we're going to be doing it's school holidays, so there's some schoolwork coming up. So we'll be doing a load of light changes over in a building for Exeter University. So I'll get some filming done there while we're there, what we're doing, stuff we've already done there. And yeah, I'll hopefully try and get some filming tomorrow. But yeah, catch you in a little bit. Bought some new workwear as well. These jackets by Regatta. So I saw this in a story from Bold Bricky, one of them. And honestly, I thought it looked really good, and I'm well chuffed with it. Well chuffed. So we need to get more branded up. Hopefully, that isn't even going to cost me a penny, but we'll see going forward. Hopefully, someone's sponsoring our workwear, which would be awesome. I had another win. In fact, I had 2 wins. Some of you guys who follow me on Instagram will have seen that I won this bag on Trade Legends, the MCT, and I also won a Run Protect rucksack. It's turned up, but I've not had a look at it yet. I don't even have a Run Protect, so maybe I need to get one. But I also won on Power. I buy a lot of stuff on Power Tool, mate, and I enter a few of their competitions now and then. And I was lucky enough, and I won that, which is a something. What is it? It is a Vito TFXXL, absolute monster of a bag. So I've got one of these, or very similar to this already. I've got so many Vito bags, it's ridiculous. I might do a video on all of them, how I kit them out, what's in them, and all that. But yeah, another awesome little win. So I'm down at the co-op, just getting a load of the cables all pulled through. So everything's being wired in FP. They're all going through there, over that stub wall, because I'm actually going to loop back and go over that way, over towards where the fuse board is. There's another bit of tray there ready to go. This was the best place to pull them all from. So they're going out onto the shop floor. Okay, so looking at the plan here, what we're wiring, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fridges to wire, 4 aircon units, an ice cream fridge, or freezer, sorry, 2 freezers here, you've got 2 more fridge cases there, and then you've got 2 cold rooms out the back, so we've got to do all the power supplies for those. They've also got, where does it say it? I think it's written on this plan. So on top of these units here, you've actually got pumps as well, and also network hub. So we've got to put in 2 radial circuits to feed the pumps and hubs across all of these. Freezers are 3-phase, so they've got a 4-core and earth FP going to them. And then yeah, we've got interlinks to do on the ACs, plus all the comms cables to wire for the whole lot as well. So quite a lot to go in. It is absolutely pinning it down here. It's horrendous. Oh, I'm a bit tired. So it's Thursday, I'm here, I'm pulling in more power supplies again. Want to try and hope, well, ideally you need to try and get all the cabling in today, because we can't come in tomorrow because they're starting to do the floor. So they've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they're redoing the resin on the floor. Fucking hell. Yeah, they're redoing the resin on the floor, and Monday they're starting to put the ceiling grid up. So it's a bit of a write-off in terms of getting wiring and piping in. So 2 of the fridge boys, bloody hell, 3 of the fridge boys are here getting all the AC pipe work in and the fridge pipe work, and I'm here hopefully trying to get all the cabling in. So we'll see how we get on. I can't film. I can't film too much. I'll get as much as I can, but it's difficult because there's a lot of other people on site. So but yeah, no, it's an interesting job. Complete rip out. It's mental. Like just supermarkets, you know, what was in here, I think I said before, what was in here wasn't even very old, and it all just completely gutted and starts again. Mind blown. But yeah, so I will get some more cables pulled in and I'll show you where we get, basically. Hopefully, like I say, it'll all be done, and I'll go through with you what we've done. But yeah, we'll find out in a minute. See you in a bit. Okay, so we are actually back at that air source heat pump that I did the other day today. Oh my god, my back. So the lads have been in here working away today. Just got board connected. Don't know if you can see that. God, it smells so damp in here. God, Jesus. Yeah, we've just finished the connections up in the house. I've been doing some paperwork. I've just been sat here on the computer doing paperwork. Only because Seb finished his job earlier than I thought they were going to. So they're down here today just to get this one wrapped up, which is ideal for me. So yeah, we're going to quickly call into another place on the way home because we've got a Paxton card reader that's stopped working on the project we finished recently down at Stowford. So we're going to get that changed over and then go home. And that'll probably be the end of our week then, hopefully. So next week we've got all sorts going on. What are we doing next week? well, we've got Alexander Palace Elect Show, obviously, which is going to be amazing. I'm not working Wednesday because my daughter's in hospital, so I'll be going. I'm in there where she has an operation on that day. Monday, Tuesday, I'm back at the co-op job again, so which you've seen bits of today. Back down there on Monday to get the last of the cabling in and start mounting the distribution board and things like that. So I'll get that in the video. That should be quite a decent video. A lot of our work recently has been different to what we have been doing for a long time, but it's just the nature of the beast. You know, when commercial contracts go on for a long period of time and they come to an end, always inevitably. But it's maintaining that level of commercial work can be quite difficult if you've not been in the game very long, which I have not really. I've been self-employed 8 years, but only doing those larger commercial projects for the last 3 or 4. So it's still a long way to go for me getting my name out there and maintain, you know, to be a point where I can maintain that level of work permanently would be amazing. But, you know, it is what it is. Take it as it comes. Yes, so I'm going to get this just wrapped up quickly, pick all our stuff up, and I'll show you this Paxton control that's knackered and get it changed over. Okay, so I'm home. I couldn't actually show you that Paxton control. We got stuck in traffic, so by the time we actually got there, we really needed to rattle on with it. So sorry, there's been just a lot of me talking in this video, which some of you might like, who knows? I doubt it very much. So yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, next video is going to be a lot more electrical based content in there, so that's good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, get in the comments, chat to me, do whatever you want, and I'll see you soon.